want my 7 tips to stop you from binge eating that Thanksgiving feast, then keep watching. Hello Healthinistas, and welcome to my channel 50 something. My name is Bernice. On this channel I give you fitness, health, and lifestyle tips. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload. And come back every week for new videos. Thanksgiving is coming up, and we tend to eat a lot during Thanksgiving. There have always been news reports that have talked about we eat about 3,000 or 4,000 calories, which is insane. So we eat so much during Thanksgiving. And so I have 7 tips that'll help you curb that binge eating, that special Thanksgiving feast. Now let's think about it. I know it's very hard because you've got those special meals that you make, those specialties that you only bring out during Thanksgiving. So I understand it's hard to say no, but hopefully these 7 tips will help you curb that appetite. All right, tip number 1, exercise the morning of Thanksgiving. Because if you exercise, you will burn calories ahead of time. And so even if you go a little bit over, it wouldn't be so bad. Because also, when I've exercised, I find out that I really don't feel like eating as much and packing on the calories. Tip number 2, get a moderate size plate. Only eat 1 moderate size plate. So fix what you want on that plate, and that's it. Don't go back for seconds. Just like going to a buffet, I usually don't go back for seconds when I go to a buffet. So fix a moderate size plate, and that'll be it. Tip number 3, sip water between bites. So take a couple of bites or however, but keep sipping water in between. What that does is that it fills you up, and so you won't eat as much. This is a great tip to have for even just everyday run-of-the-mill eating. So definitely you want to sip between bites. Tip number 4, I know there's so many desserts and you want to eat all of the desserts, but pick your 2 favorite desserts and have normal size portions of that. So pick your 2 favorite and have those desserts. That's it. You don't need more than that. You can have some more later. The desserts are going to be there unless you have a large family and everything's eaten, but you can save some for the next day. So just pick your 2 favorites and have normal sizes of those. Tip number 5, instead of mashed potatoes, replace that with mashed cauliflower. And that is completely low calories. It's a vegetable as opposed to eating the starchy carbs. So replace your mashed potatoes with mashed cauliflower. If not, then take a smaller portion of your mashed potatoes. Tip number 6, 1 cocktail is enough. You don't need to have more than 1 cocktail. So if you want to reward yourself, you want to have a cocktail, that's fine. But 1 is enough because you're eating so many, your caloric intake is so high to begin with, and cocktails are also high in calories. Pair that up with all that food that you're going to be consuming. You'll have too many calories. And finally, tip number 7, plan to do some activity after dinner. For our family, that tradition is dancing. And so you can plan to either dance, you can play Twister, you can play musical chairs, you can go window shopping. So find some activity that you can do after you've had this big meal instead of just sleeping or instead of just sitting and watching a movie. Find some activity that gets you moving. So I hope, those are my 7 tips. I hope that you will implement some of those and it'll help you not binge that Thanksgiving feast. If you liked this video, go ahead and give me a like, and also hit that subscribe button, and don't forget your notification bell so you won't miss the next time I upload. Happy Thanksgiving.